Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to ASMAS kitchen. I am Asma. Today I am gonna share recipe of chaat masala or spice powder mix originating from Indian subcontinent used in the cuisines of Indian, Pakistani and Bangladeshi. It really brings flavors in the food. Give it a try and let me know your feedback. Right, let's get started with the recipe of chaat masala. 2 bay leaves, clove 1 teaspoon, fennel seeds 2 teaspoon, cinnamon sticks 2, tartaric acid 1 tablespoon, black peppercorn 1 teaspoon, kala namak also known as Himalayan black salt 1 teaspoon heaped, whole red chili half cup, salt 1 teaspoon, whole coriander seeds 2 tablespoon, cumin seeds 2 teaspoon. Now take a pan, let it get warm, then add 2 tablespoon whole coriander seeds, 2 teaspoon of cumin seeds and half cup of whole red chili and roast them. Now spices are roasted. So turn off flame and let them into pan. Now take a milling container. Add 1 teaspoon of cloves, black pepper 1 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon of tartaric acid, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons cinnamon sticks. Break it and add into milling container. 2 bay leaves, break them also and put it into it. 2 teaspoon of fennel seeds, black salt 1 tablespoon heaped and these roasted spices. Now tight milling base over milling container and grind all spices really well. It is done now, so I am opening it and it is ready. You can keep it in airtight box for later use. That's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to connect with me on all of my social media. Link in description. Give thumbs up if you like chaat masala. Leave comment below. Share this recipe with your family and friends. Subscribe ASMAS Kitchen for more delicious recipes. And don't forget to click on bell icon. I shall see you soon with another exotic recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.